Hi, this is Yosuke. I'm from Japan. I have a lot of different passions in my life. One of them, of course, is surfing. And I see lots of similarities between surfing life and this, career that I'm in right now. Yosuke Izumi, Altasciences. My title is Director of Business Development. My role is to speak with clients, understand what they're looking for, and putting everything together in terms of all the solutions right for them. At first, I didn't know anything about science, right? But I just knew I like it. After participating in multiple studies and introducing my friends, I was offered a position as a marketing coordinator. And then after that, my role changed into recruitment, then recruitment team leader, then manager, then site director. Then I started doing project management. Then at the end, I am business development director, the current role. I have been working in the CRO industry for almost 20 years. Altasciences is the CRO and CDMO that has a lot of tools and great people here, lots of experts. So we just not do only clinical. We can do non-clinical development, as well as bioanalytical labs we have. And also we have manufacturing, CDMO. I always need to find a way to surf. There are days that, very windy or no swell, basically no waves at all. But, you still find fun wave or, fun out of that type of day. So it's very, very similar to this industry, or could be anything in life. I believe in finding a way or making one in my life, and also in this industry, and also surfing. And you may need to move to elsewhere to catch more waves. It's very, very similar to this, CRO industry too. In a study, a lot of unexpected things could happen. We, of course, do all the prep so that there are no unforeseen events coming up, right? So we are ready. But when something happens, you're committed to find a way or making one. You're going to be able to come up with a solution, even at that moment. So basically, you just not give up. Something's going to come up. And then at the end of the day, you're going to be able to solve any kind of problems. So that's what I think. And I see lots of similarities between surfing life and this career that I'm in right now.